In this video, you'll learn how to force HTTPS redirect on Cloudflare. This process ensures that all traffic to your site is secured by redirecting HTTPS. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up this important security feature. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Cloudflare URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your account credentials. After entering your email and password, click on the login button to access your account. Once you are logged into your Cloudflare account, look for the domains option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on domains to view a list of all the domains you manage under your account. This section will display each domain along with its current settings. After you have accessed the domain section, click on the Overview tab located at the top of the page. This will take you to a summary of the selected domain settings and performance. Ensure you select the correct domain if you manage multiple domains. Next, select the specific domain for which you want to force HTTPS redirection. Click on the domain name and wait for the page to refresh, displaying the relevant settings for that domain. It is essential to confirm you are working with the correct domain to avoid any misconfigurations. On the left sidebar, find and click on the Rules option. This section allows you to create and manage various rules for traffic handling. After clicking, you should see options related to managing existing rules and creating new ones. Now click on the Overview tab within the Rules section. This will show you a summary of all the rules currently applied to your domain. Look for the area labeled Templates, which will guide you to create redirection rules. Proceed by clicking on the Templates button. This section contains predefined templates for common rules, including the redirection from HTTPS. Be sure to review the available templates as they simplify the setup process. Next, click on the option labeled Redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. This template is specifically designed for the redirection you want to set up. After clicking, a new configuration page will load, allowing you to customize the redirection settings. After the configuration page appears, click on Create from Template. This will initiate the process of creating a new rule based on the selected template. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the template is being applied. Now, click on Create New Single Redirect. This option allows you to define the specific parameters for your redirect. Once selected, the page will load the necessary fields for you to input. Next, click on If Incoming Requests Match to define the conditions for the redirect rule. This step is crucial as it determines when the redirect will be triggered based on the incoming request's characteristics. Then click on Request URL to specify which URL should be redirected. This field typically accepts patterns or specific paths that will match incoming HTTP requests. Now click on Redirect to Target URL. Here you can enter the URL to which you want the request to be redirected. You can use wildcard replacements such as by time $1, $2 if you want to capture parts of the original request URL. Proceed by clicking on Deploy. This action will finalize the settings for your redirect rule. A loading indicator may appear as Cloudflare processes your request, and you should receive a confirmation message once the deployment is successful. If you would like to try Force HTTPS redirect on Cloudflare yourself, refer to the link provided in the description and the pinned comment below this video. This will guide you directly to the necessary settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.